Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Cosmic Byte CB-EP-05 gaming earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones itself in its entirety. On the left hand side, we have a close-up image of the earbuds. Over here on the right hand side, we have a few of the use cases of these earphones, which include voice or video chatting, gaming, watching movies, listening to music, and over here we can see that multiple ear tips have been provided in the small, medium and large sizes. Over here, we have the different compatibility options, which include PS4, PS5, smartphones, laptops or TVs, Xbox Series X, and Xbox 360. Over here, we have three of the salient features, which include 6 secure soft ear tips, a detachable microphone, and high-quality speakers. On the left-hand side of the box, we have a few QR codes that lead to the various social media handles of the brand and one that leads to the website of the brand. On the right-hand side, we simply have the model name and an image of the device as well. Up top, there is nothing. Same on the bottom. On the back of the box, we have a few more features which include dual microphones, 10mm drivers, and lightweight and portable design. Over here we have some of the technical specifications, so let's go through that now. The speaker size is 10mm in diameter. Impedance is 16 ohms with a variance of plus or minus 10%. Sensitivity of the speaker is 94 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. Sensitivity of the microphone is minus 42 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 4 decibels. Frequency response on the speaker is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Frequency response on the microphone is 100 Hz to 10 kHz. Cable length is 1.2 meters. Plug type is 3.5 mm audio jack, and the mic's plug type is 1.5 millimeters. Over here, we have the importing and manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the earphone unit and the modular microphone. We also have additional ear tips in a size larger and a size smaller than the ones that are already on the earbuds. The ones on the earbuds are the dual ear tip kind that look like two ear tips stacked on top of each other. While we have the earbuds in hand, we can see that they have quite a flamboyant design, very gamer-centric that is. And we also have these hook type ear tips that ensure a more secure fit while they are placed in the ears. We already know that the cable length is 1.2 meters. Running down the cable, we have this inline control module with one button on it, that is the multifunction button, and there's also a volume slider on it. This will increase or decrease the volume, and we have nice indicators on each side indicating which direction you need to slide it in to increase or decrease the volume. On the end of the cable, we have a 3.5 mm jack. It is of the TRRS kind, and this is finished in gold, but we do not know if it is actually gold or simply golden in color. The microphone unit is of the gooseneck kind, so it can be molded into a more comfortable shape. Let's see how it fits into the earbuds now. On the side of the left earbud, we have a nice the receptacle for this microphone unit, and it goes in the way you plug in a 3.5 mm audio jack. This is what it looks like with the microphone attached. To get started with using these earphones, all we need is a compatible device. So any device that supports a 3.5 mm jack should be compatible. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone with a 3.5 audio jack. Plug it in, and now you can use these earphones to listen to your favorite tunes or enjoy some gaming on. So this was the unboxing of the Cosmic Byte CB-EP-05 gaming earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.